Hey guys, welcome to the Falls Family Vlogs. I'm Scott.
I'm Ella. I'm Amelia.
And Crystal.
And today we are going to be doing a blind soda taste test. Unusual flavors. On your screen now is all of the flavors that we are going to be tasting today. Round one, we're going to explain the rules of each round right before we do it. But the first round is going to be a blind test. I'm going to go get one of the drinks and put a shot glass in front of everyone. They're going to take a drink and then they're going to say what they think the flavor is. And everyone that gets the correct answer gets a point. And we've got 3 rounds, each round different rules. And so let's start with round 1. This is round 1. All right.
It looks like pea.
You now have the drinks in front of you.
It looks like pea.
Just go for it. No, just try it. Try it and tell me what you think it is.
It tastes like corn.
Oh.
Mommy, it tastes like corn. I like it.
It tastes like crap.
Did you try it or did you smell it?
Oh, and that's all I could taste.
Come on, you have to taste it.
I don't like it.
Let me taste it just a little bit.
Take another drink. It's disgusting.
That tastes that tastes just like the bottle said.
Yeah.
Okay.
Ugh.
Now that you've all had a sip, what flavor do you think it is?
Corn.
Okay. What flavor? do
Oh
you
my
think?
gosh.
Corn.
What flavor?
Corn.
That's 3 points. It is actually sweet corn. Let me go get the bottle.
Ugh.
All right.
Show them the front.
Who in the wrong mind made this?
This next one is gonna be awesome.
Water. It's disgusting. I
Oh my
promise.
God.
Mommy, never do it. The first time I tasted it, it tastes like sweet corn. After I tasted it again,
It tastes like pop in there. It's like corn and you can taste like a Sprite feeling.
like the first time it tastes like sweet.
This is the second soda.
I know what it is. I know what it is. I know what it is.
Okay. Round 2. Go ahead, Ella, everyone.
Oh, that's worse than the first one.
Mommy, it tastes like.
I already know what it is.
You can't. Don't say what it is. Not till everyone
Oh
goes.
my gosh, who invented this?
Did you try it?
No. Mommy, it tastes like.
Don't say.
Do not do it right now.
It tastes like Sprite and something.
You know, that one tastes nothing like what the bottle says it is. Okay, guesses. Ella, you are first. What flavor? What flavor do you think? it is? What flavor?
What
Would you-
flavor?
What do you guys think?
Ranch.
What flavor do you think it is?
I wasn't gonna go for ranch, but now that you say that, I thought it would be like a PB&J.
Do you think it's ranch?
No, I thought it was PB&J, but I'm gonna go for ranch.
Well, if you thought it was PB&J, you shouldn't change your vote.
I can go whatever you usually against $2 of my dollars.
All right, the correct answer was ranch. Everyone got a point. Yeah, it was ranch. Everyone got a point. All right, this is the
Oh my god.
this.
Hey, girls, don't cheat.
It wasn't.
Okay,
I don't really know what it is. I can't even.
go ahead.
I don't know this one.
This one's really strong. It just smells like Pepsi.
What flavor do you think it is?
PB&J.
That honestly, that tastes like what the label says.
I know what it is.
It tastes like what?
It tastes like what the label is. Okay, how about instead of everybody saying their guess out loud, just whisper it to me, because I don't want any cross talk.
I can't hear whispers.
You're just breathing in my ear. Okay, what flavor do you think it is? Whisper it. And what flavor do you think it is?
Good.
Good is not a flavor. What?
You
what?
like it?
I have no idea.
If you don't guess, you don't get a point.
I don't get a point. Alright, it's not bad.
Okay, the correct answer was pumpkin.
Oh,
Right.
Pumpkin pie, to be more specific.
I was right. I tasted it and it was pumpkin.
0
Okay.
points for me, but that was not bad enough.
Joe,
To round 2.
you like it?
You know, we're gonna use that for the next round.
But you liked pumpkin.
Pumpkin is actually not that bad. I mean, I don't know. I don't see pumpkin being that bad.
So this is now round 4. Go ahead. Don't say
Ugh.
what you think it is. Keep it.
I just tasted it with my mouth.
Don't say what you think.
I know what it is. And it actually tastes like it, but like
That's really smooth. Okay.
Mm.
Look back. Okay. What, Ella? Whisper in my ear what you think it is. Okay. What flavor do you think it is? Okay. What flavor do you think it is?
I think it's nasty flavor. Bacon?
So bacon, PB&J, bacon. The correct answer was bacon.
And it's hard to take that one. That one was,
did it?
that one had a smidge of bacon in it.
I'm not gonna try it again. We can mix it up in what color it makes.
And see what color it makes.
Yours makes orange. Ours is light orange.
There are some things that should not be made into pop.
Round 5.
Don't look.
Nah.
Ready?
Cheers, girls.
Cheers.
And something nasty.
You're not even drinking it. You're just sticking your tongue in it.
I know what it is.
Let me try someone's. I want to try. I don't want yours. You're like tonguing the crap out of it. Let me try yours. That tastes like medicine. Okay.
I can't tell.
Well, you got a couple seconds to figure it out. Ella, what's your guess?
Wait.
Shh, shh, shh. Go in my ear. Shh. Okay. What do you think it is? What do you think it is?
I can't really tell.
If you don't guess, you're gonna lose a
Right.
point again.
PB&J?
And the correct answer, everyone said PB&J. Everyone was correct. It's
Yes!
All right. We are now
Try this
on
at home.
to the don't try this.
Is that
We're now on to the last round.
Yeah, that's everything's.
I do not recommend trying any of this nasty stuff. The pumpkin is
And we
so
will
far the best.
we will of course have a link in the description to a place to buy this. But yeah, we've got one more.
I already know what it is. Whoa.
You just wish for everything to be PB&J.
Final round.
I can't taste the smell.
You can't taste the smell.
I can't smell it.
Let me try it. I want to try it. Here, Jojo, let me try it. Did you drink already? Oh, you didn't sip it.
I have no idea.
I'll give you all a hint because I do think that you're gonna have a problem with this.
I like it.
None of you none of you like the real thing, but every time we go to Buffalo Wild Wings, this is the
I know what it is. I know what it is.
Okay,
I know what it is.
wait,
Say it.
Okay. Go ahead, whisper.
Oh, it's gross.
There's gotta be a
Oh,
flavor.
that's gross.
It stings my throat.
Okay, okay, what's your guess?
I have no idea.
You don't want to make a guess? It stings your throat. What do you think it
What'd
is?
she say it was?
She didn't know.
Oh.
No guess.
I think it's some kind of wings. I think it's like some kind of
I think it's wings.
it's some kind of chicken or something.
Okay. I think I'll give it to you because it's not chicken wing flavor. It's buffalo.
Oh yeah, we were talking about that earlier.
And it's buffalo sauce, so that's
Yeah.
generally put on chicken. Okay. Excuse you.
I was kind
Alright.
of right.
So Ella is the winner of round 1.
Alright.
Jojo, you will do good. You will do good on that one.
Golf clap for everyone. Alright. Now we are on to round 2. Okay, so this is now round 2 officially. What we are going to do is we're going to put all of our names in a hat, shuffle them, and one person is going to draw a name. Whoever's name that is, they're going to put a blindfold on, and the person that drew has to pick a flavor, and then the person with the blindfold on guesses what that flavor is. If they get it right, they get a point. If they get it wrong, they don't.
Dad.
This is very intense. Is it in front of me?
No, not yet.
No, not yet.
Alright.
That's you there. Told you it's disgusting.
That's not good. I think it's ranch.
Nope.
It's not? What is it?
Bacon.
Oh, what do you buy?
That's bacon? I didn't taste any smoky.
No, that's why it's hard. Okay, round 1, Dad loses.
You can't look. That's cheating.
No, I didn't. Jojo looked.
Okay, but that's still cheating.
Who is it?
Crystal is deaf, hard of hearing, and so she has a blindfold on. She can't read lips, so we're just gonna tap her on the shoulder.
We'll talk more about that in another video.
Can't do that when she likes it.
Okay, then pick something else.
I forgot which one it smells like.
Seriously?
That's gross. I'm gonna have to go. I'm gonna have to go with the buffalo wing barbecue, some kind of wing.
Okay, that's wrong. it was PB&J.
I didn't even taste PB&J in that thing.
Alright. Get a blindfold.
Ow.
I can't do it. I'm picking Jojo next time. Oh man, it's Jojo. I don't know it.
She swallows that stuff.
What did you say?
Sweet corn.
Nope, she's wrong.
That's wrong.
I knew she would say
It was
sweet corn.
Alright, no one's gotten any points. No one's gotten any points this
But
week.
no one picked me.
So it's your turn. Last one.
I hope she did not pick me.
Who is it?
Stella?
No one picked Jojo.
Go get it, girl!
Alright, blindfold down.
It actually tastes like sweet corn.
You're wrong. It was bacon.
It's bacon.
It is bacon.
Okay, let's do one more and JoJo can do the last one.
Where are you guys?
We haven't moved.
Sweet corn.
She rocked it!
Yeah, but she went like that.
Yeah, but that doesn't matter.
Because it was
And she won that round too, because we all got it wrong. Good job, good job.
I did not see.
So Ella won the first round, JoJo won the second. We are losing
So-
against our children.
Well, first of all, I wasn't even in the first round,
Truth.
so I had no
I
opportunity to
lost
get any
against
points.
our children.
I'm just doing it
And
for
she
fun.
kept drinking it.
So the last round is the Frankenstein round. I'm going to be blindfolded first, and then let's go down the list. They're going to put 2 sodas in 1 glass, and the person drinks.
Cut
If they get
Frankenstein.
If they get both correct, then they get 2 points. 1 correct, 1 point. And obviously, if they missed completely, 0 points.
Right.
All right.
Girls.
It's right in front of me now.
She bottomed up.
So there's 2 in here.
Yep. Yep.
Here's the spinning bowl.
He swallowed that sucker.
Is 1 sweet corn?
Nope.
Nope.
Okay. All right. So I only have a chance to get 1 right. It's buffalo.
Nope.
I got both wrong.
Yeah, he got 0.
He got 0.
What was it?
Bacon and ranch.
I don't want to deal with this. I don't want to. Are you almost done?
Okay, it is in front of you. It's in front of you. Did you just cheat?
No.
You peeking?
No, I haven't.
She doesn't drink it, she just sticks her tongue in it.
Apple and sweet corn, because all I can taste is apple and if we
Okay.
mixed up, it tastes
Well, hold on, time out. Apple was not even an option.
I meant pumpkin. Pumpkin.
Pumpkin and sweet corn? She got
No.
1
Pumpkin
point.
and what?
She thinks it's pumpkin and sweet corn. It's pumpkin and PB&J.
Please be easy on me, please. Is it in front of me now?
No.
Now is it in my front of me?
No, hold on.
I have it.
Okay, it's in front of you.
Sweet corn and PB&J?
She went what?
Sweet corn and PB&J.
PB&J is right.
So she got 1 point. It's
1 point.
PB&J and ranch.
Oh,
I have to get both right on this round.
I already know one. Can I pick up?
Tap me, guys.
Okay,
Alright, taste buds, let it rip.
but we have to give her a chance. Let's do. And you pick the last one. Which one should we do with it?
This is gonna be disgusting. OMG.
please do not try this on because you will be really disgusting and only when you're just playing a game and you're doing a video. My mom does not like anything. I promise you. That was just a
PB&J and sweet corn.
Nope.
Son of a biscuit.
So you got 1 point.
1 point. 1 point.
You got 1 point.
I tasted PB&J in that sucker.
So we have a tie in the last round, so we are gonna do a quick tiebreaker. I'm gonna pour the same drink in everyone's cup. They're gonna shut their eyes and then guess what they have. That way it's fair.
All
Okay.
of the drinks. Ranch.
Ranch.
It was-
you were supposed to.
It was ranch, so that means you two are tied again.
We won, girls.
Whoops.
Oh, I won the first round.
Okay,
I never won.
Yes.
The other rounds.
we're just gonna call
The
it.
other one first round. won second round and we all won third round. Give me some love.
No, I lost this round.
No,
Wait, she didn't guess it?
no, she
got
did. She
sweet
said
corn.
she said sweet corn.
Oh,
Yeah.
well.
Yes,
We won first, third round.
bye. See you later.
Okay.
Please subscribe to the channel.
Thanks for
On the
watching.
next video.
Please
Bye.
like and
It's
subscribe.
Amanda,
The
it's my mom.
father.
My
What a
sister,
mess
my dad.
of an outro. Okay.
Bye.